Hello everyone, my name is Ashutosh. Today is the 5th March and my video topic will be it is the storytelling and the story name will be The Lion and Mouse. Once upon a time there are big forest, and in the forest there are so many animals will be situated. All the animals will be live in a happily in the animal, but lion is the king of the all the animals. one day one day lion will be sleeping in a, below the tree. When the mouse will be see that the lion will be sleep, and they move to the his tail to the lion and sleep down to his tail. They playing, the mouse will be playing in the body of lion. After some time, uh, the mouse lion will be sleep out, and they sleep out, and they catch up the mouse in his paws. Then the mouse will be very fear, and they tell that to the lion, please please remove me, and I will be never mistake, I will be not repeat the same mistake again and again. Please forgive my mistakes, and then you will not kill me. But that day the lion will be in very good mood. Then they release the mouse, and the mouse will be telling that I will be help to the one day when whatever situation will be created, I will be return to his help, and I will be not forget by your help. After some days, the hunters will be coming to the forest, and they plan to catch to trap to trap to plan to catch the lions, and they planning that. And then one day they will be net will be beside in a forest. One day the lion will be walking in a forest. Then after some times they found that in his hunter's net. Then the lion will be roar more and more loudly, and they to see that to help to others. Most of the animal will be see the lion to found in the net, but no one can help the lion. After that the roaring of the lion will be listened by the mouse, and they coming to the his near to the net, and to see that the mouse will be the lion will be trapped into a net. And that day the mouse will be thinking that it is the best time to return to his the lion help. And they the mouse will be move to his tail, and they cut the net one by one. The mouse will be cut all the net, and they free the lion, cut the all the net, and then lion will be free from his free from hunter's net. And then lion will be very happy by helping the mouse, and then it is very happy, and then it is a close they friendship will be more, and they friends together, and they live will be lively in happy in the forest. they when lion will be free from his one day, and this this debate will be to help by the lions at that situation, and they both are friendly together and live happy in a forest. This is all about the today topic, and the moral of the story will be kindness will be never be wasted. Kindness and help to the others. When think about whatever other man will be repeat, other man will be give for me, but not about kind to help to others, and they helping, and I will be return to the another way, to the another way. Kindness will be never be wasted. They will be repeat more as you help. This is all about the today's topic, and this is the moral of the story. Thank you.